Are you ready?
No. Never.
Beautiful. The almighty ecotec. Don't need that. Fuel cells here. Oh, top quality. That'll do. So we're talking about returning it in the top.
Yeah.
A return and a breather, a plug, and a fade. Looks alright.
Yep, that'll do the job.
For the money we paid. So try and face this to the back, so when we get the hard launch, all the fuel goes to the back.
Yep.
Well, welcome back. 12s for 2K. We've got Vixen, and we're working away.
Are we getting things knocked off?
We are. This episode we're going to install the fuel cell that's turned up, the mailman's delivered.
Battery box bits that I brought in.
Terry brought some battery box in and some cable, so we're going to get the battery mounted backwards.
Yep. Behind
the driver, just in the cab. Fuel cell, we decided, Terry has assured me that the 044 is enough to run the car and the nitrous. So out of simplicity, we're just going to run that 1044 that's in my nitrous kit, tee it off.
Keep it simple.
Absolutely. I think that's for the best. And then go from there, get the fuel happening. Since we're putting the fuel cell in the boot, I think I'll work on some Firewall stuff. Got some old aluminium road signs, aluminum for the Americans. I'm going to just use it. I might sticker it on and block off all the holes. Just, I don't really want to catch fire.
No.
Be for the best not to.
Yeah, be not to.
Would be. So yeah, so we're going to do the battery, the Firewall, fuel cell. Get it all happening. Get old Vixen cracking. So because we decided the battery tray was a waste of weight and we kind of want to move the battery further back, we're also going to use a smaller battery out of Terry's Barina for racing. Terry's dropped a bit of stuff in for us to make happen, so come over here and we'll have a look. So he's got us an old battery box out of a tractor, second hand, $18. So he's got a bit of old cable, also second hand cable out of tractors at his work where they scrap tractors. So already with lugs and everything, so hopefully we can just bolt them straight in. Got an earth cable and a stud, insulated stud. Because the plan is, over here, bolt the stud in, undo this one, make these two connect onto this stud and hook it up. So with the wire that'll run directly to the starter, we don't have to change anything else. I've also then got the earth, which is that one. And then if you see where we've unbolted the battery tray, I'll give that a hit with the flappy disc and we'll just bolt that earth straight down to the chassis. So, I mean, it may be unnecessary, but it's not going to hurt. So that's what we'll do in the engine bay. And then around here, so the plan in here is going to be mount the battery here, rear of the driver on the passenger side, nice and low. I'm going to earth from the battery back to where the seat bolted, give that a bit of a flappy and use that bolt to bolt the earth. We've then got a decent power cable from the battery and I'm going to mount an isolator here just so from the driver's seat we can kill power. And then I will use this longer one from the isolator which isn't here yet. I've ordered it off the eBay's, $15 or $14. From that, we're going to just run it straight through, punch a hole in the firewall, directly to the starter motor. Battery's now mounted, nice and solid in there. Got the small battery in, wired up, isolator's turned up, $14 isolator, it's pretty good. Power on, power off, and just runs through, tucked up out of the way, straight into the starter. We can't see. Just got the wire coming out of the firewall there somewhere, Terry does, down the bottom. Down there, straight, wired straight to the starter. Battery box, we've got a strap on it, so it's actually secured, battery can't come out. Righto, so the firewall is actually a firewall. Looks like someone from freaking kindergarten's been in here finger painting, but anyway. It's all sealed up, doesn't look pretty, but it should do the job. It should stop us catching fire. The old road sign from the scrap bin at work is ideal. Fuel cell's in, mounted. Got the 044 out of the nitrous kit. Terry's plumbed it up, plumbed the return back in. We've even, I'd like to say rubber mounted the cell, but it's olefin mounted. We reused the sway bar link bushes. That's shaking the whole car, so should be tight enough. What do you reckon, Terry?
This should do the job.
Righto. So we've done that. We're about to put some fuel in it. It's even got a foam insert. Well, that's some top quality 91, that is.
Yep. No leaks so far, so
That's
That's good.
Full. Let it prime. And fire it up. No fire. Try again. It's alive. Oh, battery works. Just need more charge in that little fella. Yes, needs charge. Can't see any fuel pissing out on the ground, so that's a start. Seems like a success. Runs again, so
Yep.
you reckon? How's it sound?
Sounds good.
Sounds pretty good?
Yep.
Happy with it?
Yeah.
Alright, well that's a wrap for this episode.
Yep.
What did we get done?
We did the fuel pump.
Fuel pumps in, yep. Fuel
Yep.
cell,
Yep. The battery relocated.
yep. It's relocated.
Yep. And the firewall.
Yep. So the fuel pump, we've just reused the one that was in the nitrous kit. So we saved a few dollars there, just not having to buy an 044.
Yep.
That fuel cell seems to be a good thing. It's not leaking.
No.
For the $97 I paid delivered, that's pretty bloody good.
Yeah.
There's no more holes in the firewall, so it's all sealed off to the fuel tank. And doesn't look pretty.
No.
The old road sign's
No.
cheap though.
Yeah.
Still haven't spent a lot of money. 97 for the fuel cell. I don't know, there's $14 for that isolator, but Terry brought all that battery stuff in. I don't know, you'd call that $50 worth of stuff.
Mm.
We didn't pay that, but
Yeah.
we'll put a value on it.
Yep.
The road sign was free. I spent $25 or $26 on some sticker to stick that aluminium in.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's all leftover nuts and bolts and scrap.
Yeah.
But it all happens, it fired, it runs, no leaks.
No.
I think success.
Yep.
I know. Well, I think next episode we'll take it for a drive and give it a little test hit. So see you then. Right, this is take 2 because Terry didn't have his microphone turned on.
what do you expect?
Oh, mate, I thought you were a professional by now. This is about episode 6. Right, let's do it. I don't know what I'm going to say. Fast as fuck, boy.